Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel VLOOKUP versus XLOOKUP. We'll start by explaining the fundamental limitations of VLOOKUP, a function many Excel users are familiar with. We'll discuss how it restricts your data arrangement, forcing the lookup value to be in the first column of your selected range. This means it can only retrieve data to the right. Furthermore, its reliance on a fixed column index makes it vulnerable to errors if you add or remove columns, potentially returning incorrect results. Next, let's explore XLOOKUP, a more modern and flexible function. A key advantage is its ability to search in any direction, whether left, right, up, or down, overcoming VLOOKUP rigid left-to-right restriction. You can specify the lookup and return ranges independently, making your formulas more robust. Plus, XLOOKUP defaults to an exact match, which is often what you need, preventing accidental approximate matches. XLOOKUP also brings several advanced capabilities to the table. It provides flexible match modes, allowing you to find the next smaller or larger item if an exact match isn't found. You can use wildcard characters like asterisks and question marks for partial text matches. Additionally, XLOOKUP includes built-in error handling, letting you define a custom message instead of the generic #n/a error. It even allows searching from the bottom up. So which one is better? For most scenarios, XLOOKUP is the superior choice, offering greater flexibility, more features, and improved error handling. However, VLOOKUP still has its place for simple, static left-to-right lookups, especially if you need to ensure compatibility with users on older Excel versions, such as Excel 2019 or earlier. XLOOKUP is a feature of Excel 365 and Excel 2021.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.